Welcome back, tool enthusiasts. Are you tired of manually digging through tough soil or clay? Well, in today's video, we'll be ranking the 7 best gas-powered earth augers, from the good to the absolutely incredible. Whether you're a gardener, a contractor, or a DIY warrior, there's an auger here for you. Stick around to find out which one earns the crown for 2025. Let's kick things off with the Earthquake E43. This auger packs a 43cc 2-cycle Viper engine, delivering 46.5 foot-pounds of torque. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, weighing just 22 pounds, making it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. The E43 is compatible with a variety of bit sizes, but the most common setup includes an 8-inch auger bit for versatile digging. While the Earthquake is a solid entry choice, it does have some limitations. Its lower torque means it may struggle with dense roots or rocky soils, and like most 2-stroke engines, it requires precise fuel mixing. However, it shines in lighter soil conditions, making it an excellent option for small to medium-scale projects. If portability and simplicity are your top priorities, the Earthquake won't disappoint. Next up is the VEVOR D52F, a robust 52cc earth auger designed to tackle tougher tasks. It's a standout in versatility, as it includes 2 auger bits, one 6 inches and one 10 inches in diameter. With a 1.2 litre fuel tank, you'll get longer operational times between fuels, and it's even EPA certified, making it a more eco-friendly choice. What holds the VEVOR back from climbing higher in our rankings is its need for assembly out of the box and a less ergonomic design. While powerful, its engine lacks the finesse found in higher tier augers. However, for those who need flexibility with bit sizes, this machine offers excellent value, especially for hobbyists and part-time users. Moving into our 5th spot, the Landworks delivers a combination of durability and precision. This 52cc machine features a rust-resistant, carbon-coated steel frame that's built to last. Its fishtail point ensures accurate centering during drilling, perfect for fencing projects or planting trees. Despite its solid build quality, this auger has some drawbacks. It's not suited for rocky terrain, and its smaller 1-litre tank may require frequent refueling on larger jobs. However, for tasks that require pinpoint accuracy and reliability, the Landworks is a dependable workhorse. The GardenTracks earns its spot as a reliable mid-tier performer. With a 52cc engine and a dual spiral blade design, this auger excels in digging efficiently through compacted soil and clay. Its anti-vibration foam handles reduce fatigue during longer projects, and the easy pull recoil starter ensures you're up and running in no time. Where the GardenTracks stumbles is in its lack of standout features compared to competitors. While it's highly reliable, it doesn't push the envelope in innovation or design. However, for straightforward digging tasks, this auger is a safe and effective choice that won't let you down. The Buildhard takes the 4th spot with its impressive torque output of 55.5 foot-pounds and a robust 52cc engine. The anti-slip grip handles and translucent fuel tank add convenience, allowing you to keep an eye on fuel levels without interruptions. Its high-strength manganese steel auger bit ensures durability over prolonged use. However, this model isn't ideal for uneven terrain, as it struggles with slopes steeper than 15 degrees. Still, its solid build and user-friendly features make it a top contender for general-purpose digging in flat or moderately sloped areas. Our runner-up is the Earthquake Dually, a machine that's all about versatile and power. This Auger's dual throttle design allows for both 1 and 2-person operation, making it suitable for a variety of users. The 62 foot-pound of torque and heavy-duty handles give it the strength and stability to handle even the toughest jobs. While the Dually is an incredible machine, it shares the common downside of 2-stroke engines, the need for precise fuel mixing. Additionally, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but when it comes to handling demanding tasks, this Auger is almost unbeatable. Finally, taking the crown as the best gas-powered earth auger of 2025 is the Toro. With its powerful 52cc engine and impressive 62 foot-pound of torque, this auger can dig through virtually any soil type with ease. Its centrifugal clutch enhances safety, while the welded steel handlebars ensure long-term durability. Whether you're working solo or with a partner, the Toro adapts effortlessly. While it does require the standard fuel mixing for 2-cycle engines, the Toro's reliability, power, and thoughtful design more than make up for this minor inconvenience. It's the perfect tool for anyone seeking top-tier performance in 2025. And there you have it, the top 7 gas-powered earth augers of 2025, ranked from good to absolutely unbeatable. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.